Hello, tutor classmates. My name is Lisana Lopez Medina, and this is my speaking and improvement video. Okay, let's go. Part 3. Question 1 of 1. Our university students should do part-time just while they are studying. What are the advantages? What are the disadvantages? What is your own opinion? Okay. Advantages. Earning extra money, develop professional skills, learning to manage time. Disadvantages. Affect academic performance, weight, stress. Opinion. My opinion is that work part-time while studying when the beneficial is done are responsible and manages adequately. Bye. Thank you.